What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the video. Today, guys, we're actually going to be going over how to make a Google account. So first, you have to go over to your Google browser. You have to go like Google Chrome or something. Right now, I'm just using Microsoft and I'm on Google right now. So first, what you're gonna have to do is go press this little dot things, and then you're gonna have to go up here, press this account. Once you're there, you press create an account. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna type my first name, my last name, and then I'm just gonna do it whatever. Okay, and guys, Gmail is what Google uses for the account, so that's what it is. And for like the end of account, it's like at gmail.com. That's what it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna do Doodle Noodle. Okay, I got Doodle Noodle. Okay, never mind, that's already taken, so there's another one taken. Okay, I can do Doodle Noodle 80. And then, I can make this password Bean 1000, okay? That's my account, Bean 1000. I have B1000 again. So confirm, show password, there it is. Y'all can steal this account if y'all want. And okay, we're gonna go next. Okay, I'm gonna put my phone number. Okay, okay, there we go. So okay, guys, this isn't my actual phone number. Okay, yeah, I'll put my phone number. Okay, I'm gonna put my recovery address. You guys gotta make sure y'all have a recovery address for this. If y'all don't, then it's probably not gonna work. Okay, so let's just say I was born in Let's say I was born in like 1800. Okay, no, I wasn't born in 1800. Let's just say I was born in 1990. I wasn't born in 1990. I was born a little bit after that. Okay, I'm male. Okay, I'm gonna go next. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now because yeah. And then so you're gonna press I agree. Okay. There we go. Okay, we have made our account, Doodle Noodle. Here we go. Okay, there we go. That is how you make a Google account. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell, guys. Never miss a video. And that's gonna be wrapping up. Hope you guys have a good day.